One, how are you? I hope you're fine, doing absolutely amazing in your life. I hope your family and you guys are happy, you guys are healthy, you guys are safe. So, welcome to Bio Blessing. I'm your host for the day, and today I'll be giving you some life lessons. Yes, though I'm too young to give these life lessons, but I guess I need to give them because there is no age, first of all, to give any lesson, to give any kind of uh, you know whatever you say, knowledge and all that. So today, um, we'll be discussing a few points I've made this PPT, and I've in each slide there are a few topics on which I'm going to talk about. And I think if you follow these things, if you actually learn from my mistakes, these are kind of my mistakes which I have written. So if you inculcate these habits, these good habits in your life is gonna change for sure. So let's start with it. So the first thing is give your 100%. When I say give your 100%, I mean to say you have to give your heart and soul to whatever you're doing. If you are studying, give your 100%. If you are sleeping, give your 100%. Don't wake up in between and do this and that. Sleep properly. If you are singing, give your 100%. If you are dancing, give your 100%. If you're playing, give your 100%. Because what we do is human tendency. What is the human tendency is that we don't give 100%. We give 50-50. Like if you're studying, we're like, I want to play, I want to watch this movie, I want to do this and all that. And when we are playing and all that, we are very tensed about our studies and all that. You would have heard this from a lot of people, right? But even when I was in 12th, I also used to figure this out from different people. They used to there was one girl in my class. She used to be she wanted to be perfect in everything, and that was a very good thing. Whenever we used to go to the lab, she used to with a book she used to write. Means even in lab periods, people students usually enjoy, in the sense that okay, this task is given to us, we're gonna do it and we're done with it. And they don't even used to bring the lab book, notebook, the lab coat, nothing. Okay, the silly people like me also. But I've noticed that this thing in that girl, that she used to bring lab coat, she used to bring her practical, everything, and whatever ma'am used to say, she used to jot it down. And I used to see the dedication even in the lab period. She was serious. Whatever used to happen, she was like, I want to give this, I want to try this. So that thing I learned from her. And I mean, I noticed, I observed this thing, but I never inculcate this thing in my life, which is difficult, of course, because it was difficult. So just take a moment and sit and introspect that if you will give your 100% in whatever you are doing, you will see that you will succeed in that particular thing for sure. Like I've seen a lot of students who are good in studies, they're good in everything. How come? I mean, how come a student be an all-rounder? Because they know one important thing which I'm going to discuss later on, but for the time being, I know they give the 100% in whatever they do. Yes. So start giving 100%. It will take a lot of efforts initially. Even if you are into a habit of giving 100%, you still you'll still need some efforts, a lot of encouragement you need, but still it will be all worth it. I mean, you will never regret, because once you give your 100%, I've given my 100%, let's say tomorrow is my exam, I'm studying too much, even not on the the previous day, but also I've studied a lot for my exam, and I'm 100% sure, though I'm stressed up, let's say, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do good in my exam. So definitely you are gonna just rock. You're gonna give your, so that at the on the exam day or in the result day, you're not gonna sit and regret that, oh my god, I didn't study this, I was wasting my time that day. So this regret thing is very bad. Like I know it is the worst feeling in the world is to regret. That's the worst feeling that destroys you from inside, and you cannot do anything about that. A very well phrase in Hindi which says, क्या करे फिर चुड़िया, oh sorry, क्या बोलते हैं यार, oh my god, I'm so dumb, I guess. फिर पछताए क्या करें जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, मतलब कुछ कुछ चीज़ें आई might have missed, but most of the thing it was somewhat like this. So that's very true. Like after things are done, you made them worst. Now you cannot do anything about that, and there is no point of regretting. So I mean, yeah. So give your 100%. Start giving 100%. If you're studying, make a timetable. Sitting for studying, for your studies, give your 100%. No mobile phone, no laptop, no overthinking. Only you and your studies, and you are just studying. There are few students who like, I don't overthink. Okay, I am thinking about my future, what I'm gonna do in the future, and you are overthinking while sitting on your desks. You're sitting on the table and chair, books in your hand, and you're overthinking, and 2 3 hours are gone, and you think you have studied a lot. You are not like, there are some people who give themselves fake pleasure in a way, like I was focusing, I was overthinking about my future, bro. There are a lot of time to overthink about this, but I think you should not overthink much because that wastes a lot of time. Because if I talk about myself, I used to overthink a lot. I mean, shitty things I used to overthink that used to make no sense. Absolutely. If whatever you think will not is not gonna happen, right? If you have a vision, you should have a vision in your life, in your mind, that yeah, I'm gonna do this, like, I'm gonna do things like this, and I'm gonna do this and that. That's my goal for the next few months or the next few years, whatever. But overthinking, especially when you're supposed to do your main work, so that makes no sense. Then is the conclude that's what the conclusion of this topic is. Give your 100%, start giving your 100%, and you will realize the change. So coming to the next point, which says learn to balance things. Yes, that was my point when I was saying that there are some all-rounders. That's the key, that's the ultimate secret to their all-roundness. So that's what they do, is that they know how to balance things. I've seen a lot of doctors, like they are key creators. They are content. Obviously, they are content creators. They are business marketing. They're doing business marketing. They are doing absolutely everything in this world, I guess. They are also doing that MBBS, and MBBS. If you are not, if you're new to what MBBS is, I mean, it is weird because you are in my channel, which says bio blessing, bio being a blessing. You should know about MBBS, but if you are not aware of it, let me tell you. Wait a minute, let me drink some water because I think there is a lot of dehydration in my body. Also because I'm regretting, I guess. I don't know. I'm just let me. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Huh. Yeah. So what I was saying was, oh my god, what is this? This photo by unknown author has been under. Bro, I just took this picture from the PowerPoint presentation. There was this option, whatever, and they're just exposing me. That's not good. Okay. Anyways, so the key to balance is to be disciplined. Oh my god, I didn't wrote this point nowhere, but I mean that's a very important point in your life, is to be disciplined. If you are disciplined, you have a schedule, you have a fixed goal in your life, you will balance things. There were days when I used to just wake up, sit, eat, sleep, and yeah, the day used to I used to call it a day. I mean, seriously, that used to happen. And there were days when I used to do a lot of things, a lot of stuff, because I used to wake up with a goal in my mind. I used to had a to-do list. Okay. Also, we are human beings, right? So how can you make to-do list? Why not to-be list? Yes, from the next time, if you want to see the change, start doing from here. Make a to-be list. That to-do list means you're supposed to do that. But to-be is that you ask, this thing needs to be done, because that is to be, that is gonna happen, right? So make a to be list. Yeah, because we are human beings, not human doing. I heard this, like I read this quote from this, um from a page. I mean, no, yeah, I saw this a status of some of my relative, they this was a quote from Shivani ma'am. She is kind of a I mean, she says she's not a monk, I would say. I mean, she is a very philosophical kind of woman. She gives you very she's this in the spiritual. She's too much into spirituality, so she's that kind of woman, and she gives you amazing life lessons. Yes, you must be you must know about her. You might be knowing about her, but I guess I am not able to process what she exactly is. So, ma'am, huge respect to you. So, yeah, learn to balance thing. That means you need to learn how to balance. Yeah. अब बैलेंस कैसे करें? I'm sorry if I'm using Hindi in between because I think it's better to communicate with students in Hindi because they are like small, cute little pies, and they get things more into their head when someone speaks in English because I mean someone speaks in Hindi because that's their native language. That's the language they speak in most of the time. So yeah, whenever you're trying to communicate, when you're trying to connect with small little pies, always try to communicate in Hindi. But I'm making this video in English because I want you guys to learn English, okay? Because English is a language which is obviously an international language. I'm not in support of English too much. Or you should know Hindi also. Yeah, see the people, they are from India only, but just because they are kind of rich, they speak in English too much, and in Hindi they're like, "Bhaiya muchko ye kharmi." I mean, like, bro, come on, little bit of sense you should have to speak in Hindi because that's a very obvious and your mother tongue. Anyways, so to coming back to the point, like learn to balance and see. Look at me. I was talking about some other kids all of a sudden. I mean, bro, I need to stop this, right? So we need to learn to balance thing. That means we need to be disciplined. We need to wake up with a goal in our mind. Stop wasting time here and there. Prioritize your time. Priority of things should be made. And here you go with an amazing day, a very productive day. Yeah. Next is give yourself some time to feel and think. I mean, we don't give ourselves much time to think, to feel. I'm really sorry. I was trying to move these flowers because these are 3D flowers, like, as you can see, pretty flowers. But they were moving in the this thing when I made them. But now see, they ruined my PPT, like in no other way. Anyways, so what I say, give yourself some time to feel and think. It is very important. To what I said is do introspection. Self introspection is very important. Some part of your day should be for yourself because we are too busy with others, with a family. I mean, family time is the best time. I think that's kind of a therapy. But also talking to yourself, asking yourself that what you want in your life, what makes you happy, what makes you satisfied. Today, in today's generation, happiness is not more important. I think satisfaction is important. Sometimes we help someone by giving things that work for us, like let's say I have 50 rupees and I'm also poor, I'm giving 50 rupees to the, like, let's say 40 rupees to someone else, I'm left with 10. I'm, let's say I'm not happy because obviously I it was mine and I am also poor, but after seeing them happy, that satisfaction which you get, that's important. And nowadays we don't have mental peace. I mean, really, everyone want to go to Shimla, want to go to these mountains, beaches, and just relax. Can you just imagine they take out some time of their life to just few days of your life, like in a month, or they make usually we plan a trip in a year for a few days. So can you just imagine you want to go to things that are very obvious? I mean, if you are not into metropolitan cities, you must be living in a very peaceful area, in mountains, maybe in beaches. That's what life is. And we take out time, we take leave from our offices, from our schools, college, just to go to a place where we were supposed to live, where we shifted from. People go to their village once a week, once a month, in a complete year, and they forget that they were living there. I mean, I don't understand. It's very complicated. Not something we can describe in words. It's very complicated. So yeah, give yourself time, because yeah, you're made for yourself. The next point is love yourself. When I say you're made for yourself, you will only be made for yourself and you will love yourself. Because in this complete era, the in this world, I mean, it's very difficult to love yourself, because you always find some um, kind of fault in ourselves by looking at others. If I'm going out and before that I'm like, wow, I'm so good, I look so good, I am very confident, I have a good personality, yes, I'm good in studies, I'm good in singing and all that thing, I'm confident enough. Soon I step out of my house, I'll see someone else in the metro, in the school, in the college, in the office. I will start comparing myself with them. And that's the worst thing you can do. That's the worst thing, I guess. Because nowadays social media is a life changer, trust me. It is a life changer in different ways. It can be good for you, it can be bad for you. And most of the time, because it is, I think it is an evil more than a friend. Because people, there are a lot of creators, there are a lot of people who are making videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and we watch them and we start comparing. Oh my god, look at their life, they're so happy, they can do this, they can do that, they can they have this they have iPhone, they have all that, they're so pretty, we are not like that. We start comparing ourselves, and that is the time we stop loving ourselves. We stop giving time to ourselves, we are just busy comparing. We just want to become like them, but that's not the way. You are unique in your own self. Love yourself, accept yourself, and improve yourself, because not for them, but because for yourself. Improve yourself in a way, the way you want yourself to be. Make a aim in your life. I mean, we just waste our time completely looking here and there, focusing on other people' life, and we forget that, oh my god, those people, they are focusing on their life. They are least bothered about us. They are enjoying their life. They're earning money. They are having everything possible in their life, and we are wasting our time watching them, thinking about them, all that. So that's the worst thing. Okay, just improve, give yourself time, give your life a new start, and I know you can do it. And the last thing, which is the first thing, we say last but not the least, I think this is so true. Be a good human being in this world, which we say Kalyuk. It is Kalyuk for real. There is a lot of people, I mean, I think they don't have this cute little structure called this emoji, which you can't see me, but you can feel me. You know what I mean? They don't have this organ called heart. Yes, they don't. I mean, they don't have brain, I guess, because brain is obviously responsible for the feelings, for the emotions that we have. But I mean, yeah, they don't have heart. I guess they don't have feelings. We forget that in this race, in this, I think all of them, all these points are interrelated. If you will start comparing yourself with others, you will always try to pull them down. Okay, and when once you start pulling people down, obviously you become a bad human being. It is very important to be a good human being. Doesn't mean that this is my last point. I don't mean it. This is something because I've kept it at the end, because that's the reality of life. We forget this thing. We keep this thing at the last. But today I want you that this is not the last point, but the first point of your life. You need to start a life from here. Yes, you need to start a life from here. I don't know how much of you will watch my video till the end. You all watch videos of creators that are very famous and all that, but I think you should watch it. You should give yourself a chance to change. If you are not a good human being, please change yourself, because you can. There is no age. And once you will be a good human being, automatically you will start loving yourself. Yes. And automatically you will change the world. You will change your life. The satisfaction that I talked about will only be achieved when you will be in a state of mental peace. Once you are mentally stable, you will give yourself time. And once you will start giving yourself time, you will not run in this rat race. You will not be selfish. And you will become a good human being. And your life would be all worth it. Trust me, the universe is there with you. Also, people are not aware of what God is, but I believe it's a power. It's an inertia in this universe which makes you feel amazing, which also makes you feel that, oh my god, I'm doing something wrong. Oh my god, I'm doing something wrong, and this is not supposed to happen. Also, oh my god, I'm doing something right, and wow, what a feeling. When you experience love, what is that? That is a feeling of God. When you experience satisfaction, that is a feeling of God. And when you experience hatred, when you experience, you know, all these negativity, I think that's a sign from the God to that's a sign from the God stopping you. Don't do that. Obviously, whatever, whenever we do something wrong, we try to lie, we feel something in our heart back then, oh my god, we're doing something wrong. So be a good human being. The more you become a good human being, the more you'll connect to God, and that's what we want. That's the main motive of the universe. So that's all. It was a long talk, not really, but yeah, 20 minutes of talk, I guess. A little chit chat with you guys. I don't know how much of you are gonna listen to this, but I don't care. Views are just numbers. It's more about connecting to you, connecting to people, and helping them, changing their life. So yeah. So I hope you will change your life, change yourself, because you get to experience this beautiful life as humans once, only once. We never know, right? So do good thing and enjoy your life. And also one thing I believe, भगवान को हमारे कर्मों का नतीजा इसी जन्म में देना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी आर बॉर्न इन अ फैमिली एंड वी से दैट्स अ लक. वो लक कहाँ से आता है? ऑब्वियसली पिछले जन्म से आता होगा. बट अगर किसी इंसान को इस जन्म के पाप इस जन्म में नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो यार जैसे कि बहुत सारे लोग दे डू अटेम्प्ट दीज क्राइम्स, तो इफ दे, आई मीन, उनको एक्चुअल सज़ा नहीं मिलती, उनको आई थिंक नेक्स्ट जन्म में मिलती होगी, बट आई थिंक इसी जन्म में तो था कि पता चले उन्हें किया क्या था. That's what I believe. That's, and obviously काफ़ी मैं childish behave कर रही हूँ, but anyways, and this is what I believe. And obviously मैं कहाँ से behave करती हूँ, ये सब सोचती हूँ after my overthinking. So please guys stop overthinking, वरना आप भी question करने लग जाओगे. But obviously nature भगवान ने बनाया है, how beautiful it is, how beautiful life is. I respect this so much, I adore it so much. I love भगवान जी, and सबके अपने अपने भगवान जी होते हैं. मैं किसी के भी दिल को, किसी की भी फीलिंग्स को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहती. सो व्हाट आई से इज, आई लव द यूनिवर्स, आई लव द पावर विच इज देयर इन द यूनिवर्स. लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू द यूनिवर्स, टू ऑल द पीपल अराउंड मी. आई ऑलवेज विश फॉर देयर good luck, for their good health, for their happiness, for their safety. That's all I want for my family and for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching me, for listening me, I mean, for listening me for so long. I hope you will change your life, because making this video won't help me, because I literally was speaking for 20 hours straight. 20 hours, oh my god, I'm too much. Okay, 23 minutes straight. And I think this is for you to change your life. Even if one person in this world will change their lives, I'll be the happiest person. I think I've done a great deed to this world. So yeah, thank you so much. God bless you guys, and yeah, love you guys. Bye bye. Take care, okay? Take care of your family. Be a good human being and rock in your life. You can change your life, and you can change it. You can change it. Trust me. I am saying that you can. You have to do introspection, and you will change your life in a good way. Thank you so much. Bye bye.